Hey, Mandi maniacs.
Morning.
So today we'll be reviewing Holiday Sugar and Spice Quick Bread and Muffin Mix. Gotta grab it here.
And she made it, so if it's terrible, blame her. No, I'm kidding. Blame Great Value. That's who it's.
It was pretty funny, and the directions tells you to use Great Value only. Directions. Where does this say? Great Value eggs. Great Value vegetable oil. Yeah, it's all Great
They're
Value.
promoting their brand for sure.
Mm-hmm. Great Value butter.
Great Value everything.
Right.
So this is what it looks like.
You a close up with that nice crumble topping. Ooh.
Yeah.
Glad she made them, because me, I'm
Streusel topping.
a lazy baker. I see that save it over for the streusel, and I'm like, I'm just throwing it all in there. Oh, it smells good. It smells like apple, though.
Yes.
It says sugar and spice. I'm getting an apple smell.
Mm-hmm.
It does smell lovely, but yeah, certainly not like a sugar cookie.
Oh my, it's falling apart here.
Get it all in there.
Whole muffin in one bite.
Come in a little bit. We're losing you.
Oh my gosh. That crumble. That's good. I love the crumble texture. That's very pleasant.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I like that.
Very moist.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like a strudel.
It's delicious.
I was about to say,
I'm not.
You know-
well, I guess what would sugar and spice?
I was
really
about to
taste
say,
like?
you know, for the holiday season coming up,
Holiday season that came,
I came and went.
went. We're still reviewing it. We're still doing Halloween reviews too. Something.
That's true. Pumpkin and spice.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Maybe we should move over this way because I think somebody is almost out of the picture there. Huh?
Gotta scooch in, guys.
Mm. Well,
Mm-hmm.
it's very good.
I'm loving it.
You like that crumble on top?
I
I
already
would
ate all
most
that off.
certainly eat this again.
Right. It's moist.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of flavor. And sugar and spice. I wonder,
What do you mean by that?
the sugar and spice, I wonder like the sweet, crunchy, sugary topping, that streusel or whatever on top.
Mm-hmm.
And then the spice tastes like almost a spice cake, huh?
Yeah, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, I'm getting the sugar and spice. That makes sense.
Right. And
It smells like apple, but it doesn't taste like apple.
no, it doesn't taste like apple. It tastes like a spice cake.
Yep, I would agree with that. Oh my.
Oh, something shot by here.
I think the cat's chasing the dog.
Oh. Yeah, and I like that. It's very moist. It's not dry.
You guys are still eating it? I already finished.
Oh my. You
That's
must have
impressive.
liked it, huh?
Yeah, pretty good.
It's really good.
I like.
What would you guys rate it?
I give it around 7 out of 5.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely 5 stars. It's amazing.
That's it? Only 5?
Well, 5 out of 5.
Yeah, 7 out of 5.
It's very good. It really is complemented well with a black cup of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that at first when I read the directions and it said making that streusel and setting aside, and it was easy because at first when they said making a streusel, I'm like, oh no. But all you did was take a half a cup of the mix, put it in a little bowl, and mix it with a little bit of soft butter and a little bit of sugar. Mix it up, and
It's not that hard to do?
no, and you set it aside, and then you make the rest of the batter, and then you just go ahead and put it in the tins, and then once you have it in the tins, then you sprinkle it over the top.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not
Really
so
easy.
hard.
We have the
Yeah.
cutest wrappers in the universe.
Oh, they're like sprinkles.
They're pink with sprinkles.
That is cute.
Mm.
That is really good. I would give it 5 stars for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Do they have on the box where you have that streusel for on top of the
I don't know what you mean.
bread? It says quick bread and muffin mix. So I'm assuming that you only do it if you're going to do the muffins.
Oh,
streusel?
you're right, because the picture with the bread doesn't show streusel on it. So
And-
I recommend making it the muffin way.
Right, because the streusel is very good.
It's amazing.
At first, when we took it out of the oven and she saw that streusel on top, she said, "What is that? That looks terrible. I don't like that."
I think it makes it look professional.
I don't know about that, but it tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
It makes it look like you had a problem with the
Coffee cake?
muffin and you had to like scoop it out and place it on top. You know?
That's awesome.
Mm,
I thought it was delicious.
very good.
Very good.
So,
Really good. It's one of those I would definitely recommend. I would make that again for sure. Or I would have you make that again.
So, everybody 5-star?
Oh, yeah.
nope, not 5. 7 out of 5.
7 out of 5. Or are you just hungry?
Well,
Did just get done eating fudge, so.
Oh my.
well, chocolate fudge.
So there you
thing.
go.
Yo, our baking is scary. We tried
Yeah.
to make chocolate bars and we got a hybrid of chocolate bar / fudge.
That was something.
Mm-hmm.
That's different.
That, unlike this, I would not give a 5-star to.
So, bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely recommend it. You probably can't still find it in your store because it is
From Christmas.
Christmas. But you know, they might have an Easter one. I don't imagine what you could do for an Easter flavor.
I wonder if you could get it if they sold other flavors,
Yeah.
you know? And then you just keep some of that topping aside. Half a cup of the topping, you know, of the
that's
mix.
true.
And make your own streusel if it,
Okay, yeah, you could probably
Yeah.
pull that off.
yeah, you could probably use that streusel for just about anything. So, yeah, it was delicious.
It's delicious. I would definitely get it again.
Yes.
So,
All right, guys.
Bye.
Enjoy and try it.
bye.